Let me record it on computer.
Please, let me go here everywhere. Yeah, I'm good to night. This Yambo. So I'm okay. I think watch me fun.
Those that are just joining us, once more, good evening. How are we doing?
Good evening. How are you?
Doing fine as well, thank you. How is my audio? Can you hear me very well?
Yes, we can.
Okay, good. I think it's fine here, okay? Okay. For those of you that we have never met before, if we are meeting for the first time, my name is Silda. It's a bit tough to pronounce. It's a tongue-twisting word, but let me just help you with the pronunciation. What are you seeing on your screen? Are you there? What are you seeing on your screen?
Presented.
Okay, good.
Oh,
Okay. So my name is it troubles with the pronunciation, but it's pronounced as it is written. Silda, okay? Can we try to pronounce it? Silda. Are we there? Are we there?
Yeah.
Are we there? Can you try to pronounce it?
We are
Silda, okay? There are those that pronounce it Slinda, so I also don't mind. You can pronounce it Slinda, okay? Okay, what is your expectation? What do you want to learn from this lesson before we start?
To analyze.
How to analyze?
Yeah.
Then you are in a wrong lesson. We are not learning to analyze tonight, okay? We'll learn how to analyze in a different lesson, okay? What is the expectation for the lesson in line with the title? What are you expecting to learn? What do you want to learn?
Management. How to risk what you are like, let's say, how to control what you risk.
Okay, good. So our lesson for tonight, it's basically on managing money. Just like the way we manage our salaries, the way we manage our business finance, and so on. How do you manage money in your trading account? That is the lesson for tonight, okay? This is a lesson that is designed for students. This is a lesson that It's designed for students. We are currently busy with the January intake. I just thought that since we are covering money management or risk management, I should bring you in so you join students. Maybe you learn one or two things and help you become a profitable trader. I've been trading Forex for the past 8-9 years now, and so far so good. I can testify. So before we continue, I would like to hear from our students because they were being mentored, being taught by my colleague Val. January intake students, how is it going so far? And what have you learned? What is it that we are doing well and what is it that we are not doing well? Just feedback from students before we proceed. January intake students, are we here?
Yeah.
We are, yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good. How are the lessons going?
So far, so
That's so good.
Okay, well, what did you learn so far with my colleague, with Val?
Yeah.
side I've learned a lot.
Like, what did you learn?
I have how to analyze, how to count pips, and how to put stop loss and take profit, and a lot. I've learned a lot.
Okay, good. Let's hear from a lady. What did we learn from the current program? Ladies, where are we? January intake. Hello.
Ladies, guys.
The people are so down tonight. What is happening? Ladies, where are we? January intake students.
Of the ladies, we are shy. We're shy. Usually,
Lack of confidence.
They shouldn't be shy.
yeah. Usually, when they talk the most. So.
Do we have ladies? January intake. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid of the new people that joined us, okay? So just be free. Just be you.
Hey, ladies, don't let us down.
Learning a lot is for me, as I told you earlier, slow learner is going. I think that I'm picking.
Is it my network that is a problem?
No, it's not. There's no any network problem. Yes, there's someone unmuted is just.
Is it my network that is a problem? I'm struggling with communication.
But we can hear you, sir.
Okay, good. Now I can hear you very well. Kindly just repeat yourself. What did you learn? How is it going so far?
As I'm saying, I've said it when we at our class. I told you I'm a very slow learner. At least I can testify that pick up some. As we are, at least I'm managing to get some here and
okay, good.
especially analyzing and put on those trends lines, like and to check on whether the market is now buying or selling, those kind of things. At least I can put to
okay, good.
identify them.
Okay. Yeah, I remember day one you indicated that you are a slow learner, but good to know that you are picking up one or two things. We are still with you, okay? We'll be by your side until at least you can stand on your own. All right, so moving forward, as a trader, so far you have learned how to analyze, like you have indicated, how to draw trend lines, how to know if the market is buying or selling, how to set stop loss, how to set take profit, a lot of stuff that you have learned, okay? But then there is one thing that separates losing traders from winning traders: blowing of accounts, okay? If you're already trading and you are blowing accounts, this lesson is for you. Or if you are starting to trade and you don't want to blow accounts, this lesson is for you, okay? What separates, the whole point is I want you to fund from today and you should never fund again. That is the whole idea of the lesson. How do we go about it, or how do we manage money? That is how we are going to learn today. More like you get a pension. We have seen a lot of people getting their pension, and then maybe a month or a year later, you find that person broke again, like he never got thousands of dollars or millions of dollars. Why do those things happen? Why should you get paid today? You deposit in your trading account. Tomorrow, your account is clean. You get it? It's like 0-0. What really happens? Okay, that is what you're gonna look at. And then let me just mute you all. If there is anything, you can always comment in the comment section, or you can unmute yourself. So what is risk management? Okay, it's often said that I'll give you a theory part and then I'll give you some practical part just to demonstrate how these things work. It's often said that 99% of Forex traders lose money. It's a known fact that majority of people lose money. It's only few that makes money in the Forex market. It's a known fact. That highlights and emphasizes the importance of proper education. You really need to understand why are people losing money in Forex. Risk management, how do you manage risk so you can prevent it, and strategies for success in the Forex market. As a trader, you should prioritize to minimize losses, okay? Rather than focusing on making profit. We know you like to fund with a 10 USD. We are more focused on making 100 USD or a 200 USD from what you have funded. But instead, we should focus on how much we're gonna lose. We should focus on losses. When you protect your capital effectively, profits will naturally follow, or it will naturally occur. Our focus as traders as we are moving forward, especially the January intake, is to make sure when you deposit money in your trading account, or when you fund money in your trading account, or when you are going to fund, as we move to practicals, we are going to have practicals. We're going to fund with 100 USD each. We trade together. When we are going to fund this 100 USD, it should never blow. Once we sort that out, profit will naturally occur. That is our goal as traders, okay? So when you rush to grow fast, you will blow fast. So aim not to grow fast, but not to blow fast, okay? That is the whole idea of Forex trading. This is what determines success versus failure in what will determine success versus failure in your Forex career. So in this presentation for tonight, we are going to compare effective risk management strategies. We'll compare them and we'll try to apply them in real life, okay? That successful traders uses against the common mistakes that cause failure among Forex traders. You know, we do give you signals. How does it happen that if I'm to give you a signal, it goes wrong, we all lose, okay? Whenever you see a signal and it has went south, just know that we have all lost. And then I give you another signal, it makes another loss, okay? And then I give you another signal, it makes another loss, 3 consecutive losses. When I give the fourth signal, you see me posting results in profit. Okay. By the time we're going to give the fourth signal, maybe some of your accounts are already blown, but you see me posting results, then you wonder like, how am I making money? How come I did not blow? You did blow. What separates those things? Us always posting results, no matter how many times we lose, but we end up profitable. How do we do it? That is what we're going to learn, okay? Number one, cause of death of Forex traders. Forex works, but we start to trade Forex with poor risk management. That is the number one cause of death of our Forex traders. Poor risk management. That is, it refers to the failure to properly access and control risks associated with trading activities. It's the primary cause of significant losses in trading and can lead to account depletion. Your account can finish, even if you fund with $1 million and so, if you are not managing your money, your account will go to zero. The consequences, that is, without effective risk management, traders may risk too much of their capital on a single trade, leading to catastrophic losses that can wipe out their trading accounts. Okay? Then number two, leverage. Leverage or leverage. Leverage is the ability to trade or to control a large capital with a small deposit. For those of you that were with Val, I'm sure that have been with us with the January intake or the previous intake, I'm sure you have learned what is leverage. It can work for you as well as against you. So leverage allows traders to control a larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. While it can amplify profit, it also increases the risk of significant losses. You see, like the image that we have here, it's like, you know, if you jump and you jump on the dollar, what will happen? Your dollar can really go sharply, but on the other hand, it can flip again and blow your account quicker, okay? Many traders use excessive leverage, believing it will lead to quick profits. It is true, sometimes it can lead to quick profit, but it can also be the biggest regret that you're gonna have. However, this can result in margin calls. Margin call is when you're blowing an account and you get a warning from the broker that is everything fine? Okay. Tisha is writing in the chat room, Kane, that yes, please, I blew my 219 USD account today. Sorry, Kane, we are going to show you what you could have done today. Just remind me, Kane, with your 219, what you are supposed to do not to blow. And then,
Good.
pardon? And then we have Tisha. Blowing an account is the worst, I'm reading in the chat room, is the worst feeling ever. It cuts deep in my heart. I don't know how you guys manage to stay calm. Okay, we're gonna show you how we manage to stay calm, okay? Tisha, okay, this should not happen at all. However, this can result in margin calls or complete account loss if trade goes against them, okay? You need to have a proper trading plan. A trading plan, our lack of trading plan is number one problem that we have. A trading plan outlines your trading strategy, including how you enter. You decide how you enter, when, and how to exit and when to exit, okay? Risk tolerance, how much risk can you tolerate? And position sizing, how do you position yourself, okay? The impact. Emotional decision making. Tomorrow we'll cover a trading psychology. It will be more on how to control your mind. For you to remain calm even after losing. For you to remain yourself, not to panic and so on, even after you make losses. That is what we're going to cover tomorrow, okay? Emotional decision making. Without a plan, it's like you are a teacher, you go to school without a plan. What are you going to teach? It's like you are a soldier, you go in the battlefield without preparation, without a plan, you're going to die. So it's the same with Forex trading, okay? Or you are starting a business without a business plan. How do you operate? You just buy stock, you want to start reselling or whatsoever. Or you buy chicken, you want to start producing eggs without a plan. Where are you going to keep these eggs and so on? So Forex is the same. We need a proper plan, how you go about it. Traders may rely on emotions, leading to impulsive trades driven by fear, greed, and frustration. Okay? Inconsistent result. You are not consistent in your performance. Today you make a profit, tomorrow you make a loss, you lose it all, you wait for payday, you deposit again, you lose it all, you wait for payday, you deposit again, you lose it all. What are you really doing to yourself? Instead of you making money, you keep making yourself more poor, more broke. You get it? Some of you, you get to an extent of borrowing loans. You go to a cash loan because you have lost, you want to fund and get back your money. You get to be deeply in debts. Now, Forex, instead of it helping you become financially stable as a side hustle, it keeps making you poor. It keeps getting you in debts, cash loans on your payslip. We don't want those things to happen, okay? Traders without a plan often experience erratic performance, making it difficult to identify what works and what does not work. Because you can't tell, you don't have a plan. You don't know if your plan is working or not. Over trading, when you make profits, now you are the boss. You want to trade the whole day. You want to risk everything so you make more because you feel you know how to analyze so good, okay? Those that are just joining us, you're all welcome. We are on risk management. I'm giving you theory. At the end, I will give you practical, what you are supposed to do if you find a 200 and so on. Failure to set goals without clear objectives. What are you trading for? How much are you starting with? What are you trying to achieve? All these are trading goals. Traders may struggle to measure their progress or remain motivated, leading to burnout or disengagement. Okay? Number 3, position sizing. Position sizing is basically you have to know your account size. How much have you deposited and what lot size are you going to use? Simple as that. We should not complicate things. If you deposit a 10 USD and you are trading gold or you are trading Euro USD, volatility 75, what lot size are you going to use? And if you are to go in loss, how much are you going to lose? You can determine when you deposit something before you go in or when you go in. You can already tell how much you're going to lose. There is a way to tell your broker that I have deposited a 200, but and I'm going to sell volatility 75. If I am wrong, I only want to lose the $10. Or if I am wrong, I only want to lose the $20. Most of us, we don't know how to do those calculations. And I'm going to show you how to do that. You should be telling your broker that, Deriv, I'm depositing 100 and I'm buying gold or I'm selling gold. If I'm wrong, I only want to lose the $10. There is a solution to that. There's a way to do that, and I'm going to show you, okay? Position sizing, simple as that. It refers to determining the amount of capital to risk on a specific trade based on account size and the risk tolerance. It's you to decide it, okay? And it's not secrets. You can do the calculations. Excessive risks. Risking too much capital on a single trade can lead to substantial losses, potentially wiping out a significant portion of the trading account. You want to risk too much to gain too much within a shorter period of time. That is one of the main problems that we have as well. Account depletion, incorrect position sizing. You don't know what lot size to use. Most importantly, you don't know how your account size and the lot size, they should go hand in hand. It increases the likelihood of account depletion, specifically if multiple trades go against you in a trade. Barcoding, you want to barcode and until it says no enough money. That is full margin. You want to go in with full margin. So all those things. Emotional trading. Largest losses can lead to emotional reaction, prompting traders to make impulsive decisions, such as revenge trading or over-leveraging, further compounding losses. You just keep increasing the losses. Inconsistent performance. Traders who do not adhere to proper position sizing may experience erratic performance, making it challenging to analyze and improve their trading strategy. You make it hard for yourself to improve your trading strategy because you don't have proper performance, okay? There you are now. You see yourself as a Forex trader, okay? With your screens like I usually have. I have screens like this, the ones behind me. Picture yourself to be that trader now, looking at charts, maybe gold or whatever charts that you are looking at the moment. And then you start with trading indiscipline. That is trading indiscipline. It refers to failure of a trader to adhere to their established trading plans and strategy. For those of you that have trading plans and strategy, when you fail to follow your strategy and your plan, that is trading indiscipline. How do we deal with that? Okay? There are solutions to that. Okay? I'm going to provide you with that. Often resulting, and in fact, there is only one solution to all these problems. You will see at the end. Often resulting in impulsive decisions driven by emotions rather than logic. This lack of discipline can manifest in various ways, including overtrading, deviating or moving away from risk management rules, from your rules, and making trades based on market noise rather than analysis. Okay? Inconsistent results. That is what it causes: increased losses, overtrading, emotional burnout. Number 5, one of the main reasons is revenge trading. Okay? Revenge trading is when you blow an account and you still have some money to deposit. You deposit that money. Now you want to recover what you have lost and make extra profit again. Very, very fast, like instantly. That is revenge trading. You want to shoot at the market so the market dies, okay? Impact. Revenge trading is the impulsive act of entering trades in an attempt to recover losses from previous trades. This behavior is often driven by emotions such as frustration, anger. You are very angry because you are a smart person. You're supposed not to make a loss. You are angry that the market is supposed not to do that. Desperation, leading traders to make irrational decisions that can exacerbate their financial losses. Account depletion and so on, psychological stress, all these are the things that it causes. I'll share this slide at the end of the session or tomorrow morning, okay? Causing erratic trading behavior. Reverse trading disrupts a trader's strategy. It completely moves you away from your trading strategy, so you just focus on revenge, leading to inconsistent results and making it difficult to evaluate your performance. Dangerous consequences, unrealistic expectation. Say, for example, before we proceed, let's say you have maybe a 5,000. Forget about Forex. What business can you probably start with a 5,000, and how much can you probably make within a month with that business? Who can give us an example? Let me just, assuming you have a 5,000, what business can one start in a 5,000? Just unmute yourself, come through. It's just an open discussion.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening.
I hope you are right.
Pardon?
I hope you are all right tonight.
Yes, I'm doing very well tonight. How are you doing? Is it Johannes or Laula?
Mkoso,
Oh,
Matthews.
Matthews.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let's say I give you a 5,000. What business can you probably start with a 5,000?
Okay. Like with the economy of Namibia, it's probably going to be tough. So, for instance, I might start like buying some crates of tafels.
Or
So I know
tafel
I might get some boys who want side. Yeah, lagers. It's probably I might buy 10 of them with the transport and also the other things. So it's probably going to be like I might make maybe 30% from each. That means if I buy it like for 250 something, that's one crate. It means 10 times 30, I'm going to have like 300. Not 300, like 300%. If I'm making something like, let's say, if I'm making something like, let's say 75 from each crate, that means I'm not going to make more than 3,000 a month, which means I have maybe to, in order for me to progress, I have to be consistent each and every month, like adding the profits that I'm getting, like adding it on the expense that I'm going to buy another crate, which means on the 10th crate that
Matthews,
I bought this month, I should
let's make it simple. That 5,000, if you buy tafel lager, how much profit can you make maybe in a month? Say maybe how much?
Per month?
Per month, yeah.
A month, I can make 2,000.
How much?
Or 1,000.
1,000
or 1,000.
2,000 or 1,000.
Yes.
Okay, good. Do you agree with Matthew's idea? I give you 5,000.
You must subtract the credit. You must subtract the credit also. There is no business that does not have credit.
Apparently, you must subtract credit also, Matthews. I don't know. I didn't get the. Who's saying? Is it Monica or Mishek?
It's Monica.
Yeah. Monica. Okay, Monica. Let's say we subtract credit. A simple answer. I give you a 5,000. You start a business of selling tafel lager. How much can you make as profit minus if you have to subtract credit out?
Maybe a 700.
Maybe a 700 Namibian dollar per month. Okay, good. So basically, we can expect to make about a 700 to 1,000 Namibian dollar per month. Matthews and Monica, those amounts that you have mentioned in tafel lager, if you can have that same mentality, you bring it to Forex, you are going to be a very successful Forex trader. If I give you a 5,000 now, and then you target to make a 700 to 1,000 per month, you are going to be successful. Why? Forex is just a very normal business. If you treat it as such, it can work. The moment you treat it, you want to start with a 5,000, you want to make a 50,000. That is unrealistic expectation, because there is no business that can do that on a consistent basis, or else a lot of people could be millionaires. Okay, it's not reality. Okay, you will find people promoting account management. We'll get to that. Account management. Start with a 500 and withdraw a 5,000 in 24 hours. Deposit a 1,000 and withdraw a 10,000 within 24 hours. Stop those nonsense, guys. I have to say it that way, okay? It can happen today, maybe with one person by luck, but it cannot be a consistent thing. People are losing money through those funny things, okay? Unrealistic expectation. Let's be realistic in Forex like Tafellager. Okay. These are the impacts. It's going to cause emotional damage, poor risk management, over trading, burnout, and so on. Okay. Unrealistic expectations is believing that trading can quickly generate substantial profits. It can, but not consistently. If you want to be in the game for long, forget those things. Guaranteed profit. There is no guaranteed profit in Forex. I will never guarantee you profit in Forex. You yourself, you should never guarantee profit in Forex. Don't let anyone guarantee you profit in Forex. Let's be realistic, okay? Just like any other business, there is no business that is 100% guaranteed. Quick success, 24-hour withdrawals, and so on. Let's forget those things. High win rate, overconfidence in strategies. Those are the things that causes unrealistic expectation. Factors contributing to poor risk management. Number 7, some of us are emotionally damaged because we have been scammed a lot. So sorry if you've been scammed, but you were supposed not to, okay? If you have been scammed before, that should have been a lesson, but we should not let it happen again. Forex trading scams. It refers to fraudulent schemes or programs or projects designed to deceive investors, you and me. It's designed by people, other people, designed by ourselves to fool each other, be designed by you to fool me, designed by me to fool you. It's among ourselves, okay? It deceives investors and traders into losing money. These scams often promise high returns with little risk, okay? Exploiting individuals' desire for quick profits and financial insecurity. It's human nature that we all want to be financially independent. We want to make money. There's a need for money for everyone. I want money, you want money. People take advantage of that need for money. And then they lie at you because that is what they tell you what you want to hear so that you give your money. By the end of the day, nothing. Financial security and so on. Common type of trading schemes, for example, it's Ponzi schemes. In these projects, returns to earlier investors, okay, are paid using the capital from newer investors rather than from profit earned by operations of a legitimate business. I tell you to invest with me, invest, but then what will happen is after a month or 2 months, what those new investors are paying in is what I will use to pay you, the old investors. That is a Ponzi scheme. While I am not really making profit from trading, those are some of the known programs that we lose money with. Eventually, the scheme collapses when it becomes difficult to recruit new investors. It's a certain point, it's going to reach a certain level, a threshold that it can't generate more money, and then it's going to collapse. So we should be able to identify this. If you have lost money in Ponzi schemes, some of us, maybe we got loans, and now you want to pay back the loan. What do? You run to Forex, and you want to recover your money that you have lost there because you have loans that you are paying. Instead of you making money, you end up losing more money. These are some of the causes that making traders lose a lot of money in Forex. It's just reality, okay? Fake trading platforms. Now, everyone, it's hard to tell who is a real trader, who is a fake trader, because everyone is now a trader. You are a trader, I'm a trader, your neighbor is a trader. On social media, there are a lot of traders. So guys, who is a real trader? Who is a fake trader? A lot of fake people, a lot of fake programs, a lot of fake platforms. It's hard to tell who to trust and so on. But you are supposed not to trust any program or these are basic things that you can learn to do yourself. Stop trusting people, okay? Stop trusting me. Stop trusting your neighbor. Stop trusting every person that you see on social media. Forex is very easy. Let's just put in the time to learn. And then from there, you should never be scammed. We have to put in learning, okay? Scammers create fake trading websites or apps that appear legitimate. They lure investors to deposit funds only to disappear with the money once a certain amount is deposited. A common scam is you deposit money in that platform. When you want to withdraw, they will ask you to deposit to pay either for management fee or to pay for software before you can withdraw. When you pay, they will bring up another problem or another reason why they cannot pay your money unless you pay again for them to solve a problem. They keep bringing you problems that have to be solved only when you pay again. It keeps repeating until you realize, yo, here, I have lost it. I have lost my money, okay? These are the reasons. Once you lose money there, you now come to Forex, you want to recover what you have lost. These are some of the things that makes us lose money. The consequences of trading scams extends far beyond immediate financial losses, okay? Affecting traders' emotional well-being, trust in the financial system. Now, if you have been scammed before, every person that tells you that I trade Forex, or you will find it hard to trust who is a legit Forex trader and who is a fake one because you are traumatized, okay? And future investment behavior, you'll be damaged psychological. People lose serious money in these programs. Awareness, very important. Education and vigilance are essential for traders to protect themselves from potential scams and reduce these adverse effects. Fast money, we want chelete, quick, okay? Many Forex traders enters the market based on what we see on the internet, fast car, because you have seen Silta just bought a car, you also want a car, you want quick money to buy a car as well, with the hope of making quick profits. However, this desire for fast money often leads to poor risk management, which can ultimately result in significant financial losses and often the failure of their Forex career. It will possibly end your Forex career. Let me check in the chat room what is there. Investing in cryptocurrency. Maybe we should have another lesson on how to invest in cryptocurrency. It's something we can't miss for now. We'll regret it in 30 years if you're not investing in crypto. I'm holding crypto like on a serious note. So that is one of the good platform you can, I'm not advising you, but just sharing information. One of the good platforms that you can invest today, okay? Understanding the desire for quick money, psychological factors, all those things. Social media success stories can amplify the desire for rapid wealth accumulation, making it seem achievable, market accessibility, and so on. Quick or fast money, all these things, I'll share the slide. You can now go through or with your own time. Over leveraging, ignoring your stop losses, some of these stop loss orders, these are the things that cause us to fail in Forex trading. Emotional trading, and so on. Strategies for better risk management, you have to set a risk percentage. This is what we're gonna do. Take note of it. We are now moving to practical, so we apply this thing. How do you prevent those things? Take your notebook, write it down. Number one, okay? How do you properly manage your risk? Let's write set a risk percentage. What is number one solution? Are we there?
Yes, we are here. We are here.
Yeah.
What are we going to do first? To manage our risks very well?
Stop loss.
Setting a risk percentage, okay? That is number one. what percent are we going to risk at a time of your capital? Can we choose a percentage?
10%.
Okay, 10%. This one is saying 10%.
2%.
Let's all choose. Let's all. How much?
Let us stick to 10%.
2%.
Let us stick to
5%. Okay. Maybe let's start by determining how much can you afford to deposit and what percent are you going to risk at a time. How much can you afford to deposit now? Reality. It can be a $5, $100. How much?
10
USD.
Let's say $50.
Okay, let's say $50.
We are being there.
How much percent of 50 USD are we going to risk at a time?
That's $.
How much?
5%.
Okay, let's say you deposit a 50 USD, which is about a 950. Now we are going to determine how that is your plan. You plan to deposit a 50. You also plan to risk a 10, 5, 2%. We are now going to demonstrate how to do that. That is the first thing is you have to determine the risk per trade. Limit the amount of capital you risk on each trade to a small percentage of your total account, commonly 1 to 5%. This helps protect your overall capital from significant losses. Okay. Number two, number one, we are setting a percent. And then number two, we have to automatically limit our loss. That is, we always have to use stop loss orders. Okay. Number two, what are we going to do?
Use stop losses.
Yeah, always use stop loss. Please take note, write it down. I'm writing down in my book, okay? Always use stop loss or when to exit. Know when to exit when you enter or know when to exit, okay? At a predetermined price level, this minimizes potential losses and can help you stick to your trading plan, okay? Number three, let's just list them in that way. Number three, we have to diversify your trades. They say do not put all your eggs in one basket. You have to diversify your trade. Number three, diversify. I'm going to show you how I do this so you can also do the same. Avoid concentrated risk. Spread your investments across different currency pairs, asset classes, and so on. Diversification. You have to keep record. Number four, you keep record. Are we taking note?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we are, but we are a little bit, say, not that much, but a little bit.
Keep record or maintaining your trading journal. Okay. Develop a trading plan. That is number five. Develop a trading plan. We need to come up with a quick plan now that will align with these things. Then we'll go and look for a practical. We'll deposit a $50 on a certain account. Then we have to follow our plan. Okay. Use proper position sizing. Number six. Use a proper, let's just call it proper lot size. Use proper lot size. Are we following?
Yes, we are.
What is number one?
Set 50%.
Set risk percentage.
Okay. What is number two?
Automatic limit.
Okay, good. I see we are following. Let me mute you all.
Use stop loss orders.
Yeah. Then number 7, you have to stay informed. This is both on technical, basically on technical and fundamental, okay? Be informed about your news calendar, okay? Limit leverage usage, but this one, it will be solved by proper lot size. Emotional discipline, then number 8, that is where discipline comes in. To follow what we are discussing here, let's just write it down. Please take a notebook, write it down. Are we following? Then number 10, you have to regularly review and adjust. You have to always review and adjust what you are writing down now. Review and adjust. Okay. Now I want you to take a pen and a paper. You pick an amount that you are going to deposit yourself. Number 1, let's pick an amount. Someone said 50 USD. We can even go with a 50 USD, all of us, or should we pick different amounts, or should we use one amount? Usually with practicals, we use one amount, which is 100 USD.
We must use one amount.
Okay. Let's go with a 50 USD. There are some messages in the group, in the chat room. Someone is saying we should give an opportunity to spread some awareness on some scammers we know of. Sorry, I won't do that. Even me, I know a lot of scammers, but I don't like to point names and so on. It causes a lot of dramas, okay? Just make sure you don't get scammed, okay? But I will not want to use, there are a lot of names, okay? I need a crypto card, so I want to know how to get it and what it costs. I check in the group. I showed you how to do crypto cards the other day, or I'll explain at the end. Take note. Okay. Now this is what is going to happen. Okay. I'm going to share my trading platform. Let me check. I'm going to use a platform called CTrader. It's similar to, or maybe let me just use MT5. And there's good news for those of you that have been asking for copy trading. We'll be launching our copy trading program. We have launched it already. There's those that we are waiting to connect or to take in, but I'll discuss it at the end. Okay. So far, it's doing well. We are at 19.5%. We got a very bad drawdown, but we have picked up and so on. Let me just see if I can get you a proper MT5. I've stopped my screen sharing. Let me fix. Okay, now at this point, it's practical. I'll be slow. Let's now apply what we have learned. Go on your MT5 platform, log into your MT5 platform. How do you set this 2%, 5%, and so on? Okay. So we talked about diversification, okay? I'll demonstrate practically. So if you look at my trading accounts, you can see my trading accounts, right?
Who's there,
Are you there?
presidency?
Can you see my trading accounts?
Yes, we can see them.
Okay, what I have done is I have
we can
split
see.
this. I did split these things in different accounts. I have a 200 on this financial account. And then I have another, this is a 1,000 on another financial account. I trade different things depending on what I'm trying to achieve. And then I have a 140 on financial. And then I have a 4.8 on zero spread account. And then I have a 1.1 on C Trader. This is the one that we are going to use for copy trading. So if you see how I have split my account, for example, like today I was trading gold. So if we log in here, and then I have my overall, currently my balance is at 12.2, okay? I did a lot of withdrawals. It's at 12.2. Now what we have seen is, for example, today I was trading gold. If you're following on the group, I shared some screenshots. What I've done is, if you open on this position, I only deposited, you make a transfer actually. You can choose to transfer, and before that, you can create as many accounts as you want. You're allowed to have multiple accounts to manage risk. Now, I don't want to risk this whole 12K. What I do is, if I get an opportunity, I'm only willing to risk a certain percent of my account, okay? And then if we are talking of 1% of an account, at this point, I'm supposed to only risk 100 US dollar at a time. That is 1% of my balance, okay? For me, I'm at the moment risking 2% at a time. If my math is correct, speaking under correction. So, but in short, I'm risking a 200 USD at a time, okay? In a way that if I'm to lose on that trade, I'm only going to lose, let's say we take 200 over, I even stopped counting because I know there's no way I'm gonna blow with this account, okay? That is like 1.7% of my capital. So if I'm to lose, I have to lose how many times for me to blow an account? I have to lose 60 times, 60 consecutive times for me to blow an account. And it's very, very rare to lose with the strategy that we use. I'm going to show you some strategies. For students, definitely I'm going to show you. There's no way you can lose, especially on gold, consecutively. You have seen our signals in the group, okay? Now what I've done is, with this 200, okay? So if we are to log in on this, I'm trading on a different PC on the screens here, but let me just log in on the screens that I'm using. Deriv SVG, for example. So diversification, I have multiple accounts. Number one, that is how I've done my diversification. I sometimes trade with other brokers like XM Global. Because of the bonuses that they give, very good bonus, like this afternoon. If I show you here, I was doing some withdrawals with, this is XM Global, okay? You should check here. This is all about diversification that I'm showing you, okay? If you check in the morning here on this account, I did a deposit of an 80 USD, you see here. And then if you check here I did a withdrawal of the 80 USD. And then I did another withdrawal of a 600. I deposited in And 80, I made about a 600 profit. I withdrew it, everything, and then I deposited again here, somewhere here. I deposited 100, and then I'm busy withdrawing. I withdrew out a 600 again. Just today, I made about a 1.2. You can see that. And then I'm still gonna do that. But the point is, this is XM. You can see this withdrawal is from XM. I have deriv, I as well have XM. That is how I have sorted diversification. And then if you are to proceed with the XM story, this is a different account. I have a lot of accounts, guys, okay? Let's log into to the deriv accounts. This might be boring, but I want you to understand how I manage risks that I never blow. I spread my risk, okay? Deriv SVG. It should be SVG, the server that we are using there.
Yes.
SVG, right?
Yeah.
SVG server. I'll stop the screen sharing. I want to put my password. You know, you can log into any broker, MT5. You just have to search for the server like I'm doing. This is XM platform, but I can log in with any account. Okay. I think I can resume the screen sharing. Okay. So, but the point that we have here is this is the deriv account that we are seeing on the platform. On this account, I deposited a 200. The 200 that I was talking about, I've been holding these. Can you see the sales that I took here? I've been busy trading on this account, guys. Check, like very busy every day. So I took a sell here. It's a simple thing. I don't want to show the strategy. But the point is, I'm currently holding, like now it's in profit of another 1K USD. So I traded with XM. If you check here, okay, I'm doing withdrawals with XM. And currently, while I'm closing some positions on XM, I'm still holding some positions on, this is a prop firm. I will teach you what is a prop firm later. This is a prop firm account. ACG, that is the Alpha Pro. Yeah, so I'm still holding some trade here, like 1,000 USD. Now, my strategy is very simple. I have a big account. I take a small amount, 100 USD. I deposit in this broker. I take 100 or 280. I deposit in the other broker. I trade. Okay, when I'm trading, maybe I'm trading gold here. Here I'm trading, maybe it can trade NASDAQ or Euro USD. I'm very busy every day on these screens, just that I don't share all the stuffs, but yeah, I'm trading on my own, making money without you, obviously, but if you will also learn, you're gonna make money on your own. You should be motivated. Now the diversification, I spread on multiple accounts. Hope you have learned how I diversify my portfolio. The same with you. What I'll advise you is, I want you to have multiple accounts, okay? Don't put everything in one account. Open multiple accounts. If you have a 50, maybe put a 50 in volatility 75, maybe a 10 in volatility, then another 10 on gold, then another 10. You can even use multiple brokers. It's not a problem, okay? So long you know What broker is that one? How you gonna withdraw? You have to understand those things. That is diversification. Do you have questions on diversification before we proceed? I've shown you how I diversify my portfolio. Did you learn something on that before we proceed?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, great. Then number 2, setting a risk percentage. Setting a risk percentage. Did you learn that?
Show us.
Pardon?
Yes, right.
Did you learn that if I'm to risk 100 USD or a 200 USD, that is less than 2% of my equity? Did you see that on my trading accounts?
Sir?
Did you see that I don't risk more than 2% of my equity? That is what I wanted you to see.
Sir?
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
Oh, I just want to ask, like, you know, like now we have to here, now we have to just like another, because some of us write off with these things. Sometimes when you buy and it sometimes sell, but sometimes when you sell it, it's buy. It seems like it was waiting for you buy, then it go down, or like when you sell, then it will go up. So
Yes.
so maybe we use the wrong time frame, or how I can say.
Yeah, that one is
and like which is the best time frame?
That one it's analysis, time frames and what so on. We need to have a separate lesson on it. But for now, let's focus on not blowing accounts, risk management, okay?
Yeah, I'll be waiting for that, sir.
Okay, good. But the question is, did you see that I am not risking more than 2% of my trading capital? Yes or no? Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, we can see, sir.
No, I didn't see.
No, we
I want to
did
know.
not see.
I want to know how, sir. I didn't see.
This is how, I repeat, okay? Did you see that on this account, there's a 200 USD that I deposited? Can you see that?
Yes, the 200 we can see.
Yeah. If I'm to lose this, I am going to lose a 200 USD. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, the other thing that I want you to see is, can you see that on this account, I have a 12K on my dashboard. Can you see that?
Yes, Mr. Sultan.
How much is 200? What percent is a 200 in a 12K? Because I'm only risking a 200, but I have a 12K. That is what I want you to understand. I'm not risking the whole, let's take a calculator, the whole 12K at one time. Am I making sense?
Yes.
To get the percentage, is 200 divided by the balance, let's say, which is 12,000 times 100. That is the percent that I'm risking, 1.66. 200, it's a 1.7% of my balance. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I ask the question again. Did you see that I am not risking more than 2% of my trading capital? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah. Now what happens is, yeah. Okay, good. What happens is, if I give you a signal and then it goes wrong, you are going to make a loss. I am also going to make a loss. I give you another signal, it goes wrong. I am going to make a loss. You are going to make a loss. The difference is, some of you will blow your whole capital. I am not going to blow my whole capital. Did you see that?
Yeah, that is visible.
There is no secret. The reason I'm showing you this is from today onwards, I want you to do the same exact thing like I'm doing. You might not have a big account like I have, but with your small account, you do the same. Whether it's a $50, only risk a $2, $2, $5, $5. If it's a 200, only risk a $5, $5. Am I making sense?
Yes, you are making sense.
When you get paid, you want to
Very
fund
much.
when you want to fund your account, if you deposit a 200, please don't risk your whole 200. Now that answers our first question. Set a risk percentage on your account. Decide how much you are risking after you have deposited. Diversification sorted. Setting a certain percent, you should understand it now. Is it clear there?
Yes.
Okay. Now, yeah.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And how are you?
Good. I just want to, sorry for interrupting. Trading, when we're trading fundamentals, should we also use the same only risking 2%, or is it different in terms of when you're trading fundamentals?
It is always the same. The best way that you can do it, you should have a separate multiple account. You only put that amount that you want to lose in that account. Like in this case, I'm only putting a 200. The reason being, if we are trading fundamental and it goes wrong, there's no way I can lose more than a 200 because that is all that we have on that account. So when you are trading fundamental, you can always put that certain amount on that account only. Maybe that can help you. Am I making sense?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's cover point number 2. What was the point number 2 on our list that we wrote down?
Can I ask?
Oh, sure, you can ask. You can ask.
Yeah, I want to find out if I multiple accounts use only a phone.
If you are using a phone only. I didn't get the question. Something.
Yes, if I can have multiple accounts, but I have only a phone. I'm using only a phone.
Yes. On your phone, you can log in as many accounts as you can, even 10 accounts. You can have multiple accounts. You just keep adding on MT5.
But I can them at the same time. Can I?
Yes, you can trade them at the same time. You just go in this account, you open your positions, you set your stop loss, you get out, you go enter in the other account. Just watch some YouTube video how to use multiple accounts on MT5 on your phone. It's very simple.
Problem just introduce
200. What is the problem?
What is the 0.1?
What was okay? Let's proceed. What was number 2 on our list?
Then you ended
Use stop loss order.
Use stop loss order, and you should know when to exit. Very simple. I told you there is a way to tell your broker when you are entering the market. Let's say if I want to buy gold now, okay? If I want to buy gold, because I'm seeing there's a rejection, I think I should just buy and resell it later, but I want to be scaling in. I'm going to hold this. What I do is on deriv, I'm going to hold it for long. If you see a 4K, 5K screenshot, it's this account in the future, okay? I'm holding it for days. What I'm going to do is I have determined, very simple. If you check on the daily time frame, it's now not loading. I sold it in an order block. You guys know what is an order block, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I sold it in an order block. Now that it's a new MT5, it's struggling to load.
An order block is what again?
January students, did you learn about order blocks with Val? This is an order block, okay? If not, then you have to learn those terms later. You have to learn, this is an order block. and it's a confluence with this resistance. I sold it, and then by the look of things, we can expect it either to come all the way down here. Now I might confuse you people like with the analysis. This is one of the best level we can expect, or we can expect it to come, take down this chart pattern. This is a continuation pattern if you have to check on the daily time frame, okay? That is, the market came to break this low and then it pushed all the way down. Now it's forming this pattern, okay? It can be a flat pattern or whatsoever pattern. By the rule of the pattern is we are expecting this market to come and break all the way down here, you see. Then we see gold going down all the way. But we can expect gold to push at least up to a 61% fib level on this zone. So that is my target area, because it can still continue. I can switch to 4 hour. If I'm to pull a 61% fib level, so my target is around this area. This is where I'm gonna take profit, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I will keep scaling in on XM, on the other account, for the sake of diversification. On the other account, I can now, sorry if I'm speaking a language that is confusing you, but if you're a January intake, you should understand 100%. So we are now swinging lower lows and higher highs, okay? We made a new low. We can expect the market to retrace up to that level. And then we scale in, we add some sell positions on that account. And then we keep holding, okay? What we're gonna happen is when we see the market somewhere here, we're now gonna zoom in some smaller time frames to see very well. We scale in, we expect the market to push down, we scale in again, but let me not divert a lot from the main lesson. So by then, we have to always use a stop loss. Like for now, if we see here is the market is buying at the moment. If we want to buy, the best thing that you do, we are coming back to the lesson now. Let me not divert a lot.
So just mute everybody.
Okay. The best thing to do, if you are to buy, you place a buy. First, always use a smaller lot size. We are covering point number 2. Always use stop loss, know when to exit. If I'm to buy, the first thing that I'll do is I want to know what is the stop loss amount on a smallest lot size. I'll buy. The smallest lot size is a 0.01, right? I'll buy. I have to accept one-click trading. Since my network is a bit slow, I need to press a buy. Okay, the order is filled in. Then after I buy, where do I plan to put my stop loss? Let me see if there's a way I can clean this chart faster. If I have a template, okay, good. Where do I plan to put my stop loss? If we are to buy here, where should we put our stop loss? Traders? Just quick, where do we put our stop loss?
Below this.
Below this level, okay? The previous rejection candle. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, what I usually do is, when sending a signal, I'll just say buy gold, stop loss is here, I double click, I copy this number, stop loss is there, and then take profit. Maybe I drag and put at the 61 fib level that I'm talking about, maybe I put there. Take profit is there. Then I'll double click, I'll copy this number and send in the group. What most people don't know, how much is that stop loss? Because we don't share those information. But when you are dragging, you can tell, even on the phone, you can tell if you check on the left here, somewhere here, there's an amount showing you the stop loss amount. The stop loss on this position, it's how much? How much is the stop loss?
Can you drag it again?
It's a negative 10 USD.
Yeah, there we go. It's negative
10 USD. 10
if we set it here, the stop loss will be how much?
That is 13.
13, 15. Yeah.
That is
Now, the problem that we have with most traders is they don't want to learn. They jump the process. They only want to make the money. When I say buy gold, when I say buy gold, number one, you don't know how much is the stop loss. What you are going to do is you'll jump in and buy with your $5. When you buy with your $5, the market, the moment it reach here, you are telling your, the moment it will reach here, your account will blow. Then you say what? No, these signals are wrong. These signals are not working out. I'm just blowing accounts. Forex is not real. Whose problem is that? It's your problem. You didn't do your homework. Okay, let's not do those funny stuffs. Now, if you are a trader, you should know that this stop loss, it's a $10. When I give a signal, or when you find your own signal, you are supposed to know stop loss. Okay, how much is that stop loss? Keep in mind, how much are you risking? How much is the stop loss? When you fund your account with 50 USD, for example, you do this. You are telling your broker, I am buying gold. If I am wrong, please take me out on a negative $10. You decide it yourself. If you think your account is too small for a $10, please stay away. Go and look for other instruments, maybe Euro USD, maybe volatility, maybe jump, maybe boom crash. Go and look for something that is suitable for your account. Am I making sense? Are we there? Are we together here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, do yourself a favor, do yourself justice, and learn these basic things. Now, if you add another position, let me just add it the manual way, new order. You want to buy gold again, you have a running position. Now you want to add a second position, two positions. If we are to use the same stop loss, how much are we risking in total like this? How much are we risking? $20. Most of us, or some of us, we don't know these things. What you do is you just keep clicking. You keep buying, you keep buying. You only have a $30, but you are buying 5 positions. What are you doing to yourself? It's like you hate yourself. You don't love yourself. You get it? This is the number one cause of Forex death. Then when you blow, what do? You have to go borrow money from your friend, or you have to wait for payday. That covers stop loss. You should be able to know how much you are risking at a time. Number one, percentage. Number two, stop loss. Your stop loss should be in line with your percentage. Number three, diversify. Do not put everything on one basket. That is risk management or money management. That is how you manage your business. That is how you basically manage your Forex business. That is the whole point. We are in the Forex business. We need to know how to manage our business. That is what we are learning. Money management, okay? Develop a plan. A plan is basically where you write what we have written. You have to write, what do you trade for me? I'm a big fan of gold, okay? And then what else? How much percent are you risking? Write it down. And then diversify. Which broker do you trade with? Deriv, XM, whatsoever. Or if you are to trade volatility, whatsoever, put down everything on paper. Understand. Don't fool yourself. Don't act like you are not fine. These are things we can calculate and sit down and so on. Huh? Use proper lot size. This is what we have covered. Know your lot sizes, your instruments, and use a proper lot size. Okay? And then number three, stay informed about fundamental, especially if you're scalping. At this point, as traders, we should all know what fundamental, what is news, what is the economic calendar. Stay informed. You can find these things for free on the Forex Factory. Okay? On the Forex Factory. And remain disciplined. Always, please, remain disciplined, remain humble. When you are humble, money will come. When you want to be tough with the market, you will give your money. But when you remain calm and so on. And then number 3, look for other source of income. While you are being disciplined, find a job, find another hustle that can help you supplement your income, and then so on. Okay, I think that is what I had for you tonight on money management or risk management. Hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. For the January intake, we will continue tomorrow as we learn trading psychology. Trading psychology is I will teach you how to be disciplined in the Forex market. I will help you become a disciplined trader. If you are struggling with discipline, tomorrow, unfortunately, it's only available for the January intake, those that paid. It's not going to be for free like this one, but I'm going to teach you January intake, how to be disciplined. How did I become disciplined in Forex? I'm going to show you those tactics. Okay? Trading psychology, how do you become mentally fit in this market? It's a very easy game. How to become mentally fit. That's what we're going to learn tomorrow. And for the rest, we have a course. We'll be having, we won't have February intake. We'll have March intake. Okay? We'll have March intake. If you are interested to enroll for a full course, we have it at 3,500 only. We're going to teach you Forex, cryptocurrencies, how to invest in crypto. I saw people talking about crypto. We're going to have a full lesson on how to invest in crypto. The lessons are conducted here online on Zoom, just like this one that we had, as well as face-to-face. If you are in Windhoek, we can deliver face-to-face, or if you are in Rundu, we can offer face-to-face. Face-to-face, it's 4.5, okay? And for those of you that can make it to Rundu on 20 February, we have a free seminar, free Forex seminar, powered by Deriv. We'll have Deriv officials flying from headquarters in Rwanda to Rundu on 20 February to attend the seminar as well. If you have questions about Deriv team is coming. You can show up and ask them as many questions you want, deposit, withdrawal, a lot of things that you want to know about Deriv. Deriv team is also coming. I'll also want to know, what do you want me to present to you at the seminar? I'm giving you that platform. What the majority will want, I will teach it for free at the seminar. Okay, whether you want to know how to deposit and withdraw, how to order your crypto card, how to analyze, whatsoever, I'm going to teach you. Let me know in the comment section, what do you want me to teach you at the Forex seminar? You have a ball in your hand, okay? And then what is the other thing? Q&A session now. Thank you so much for attending until the end. Hope you learned 1 or 2 things. Question time.
Say, how does crypto and how do you get it?
Crypto card, I'm going to send a link on the group. Okay. Let me just do it now.
Okay.
A crypto
Some of us
card.
are not in the group.
Pardon?
Some of us are not in the group.
Oh, you are not in the group?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me share the group link.
All right.
Where did you join from? Where did you see the Zoom thing?
I'm having one.
Is it on status?
Yeah, on status.
Okay. Check in the chat room. There's a group link.
Okay. I saw it.
Yeah, please join the group. And then, if you want a crypto card, I'm going to share another link.
Say,
yeah.
It's like what you said, it's like you want to hear from us, like what you has to go teach us from the free seminar. For me, I prefer like how to analyze and to know when to buy and which is the best frame to use and so forth.
No problem. I think what we're going to do is I should open the group and then request people to give suggestions. What most people will want will go with the majority. It's only a day and we can't teach everything, but we'll go with the majority, okay?
How will I get it? Just wait till let me just copy everything.
Okay.
Okay,
if you are looking for a
just
crypto
say
card,
what you said there. Hey, yes.
If you have more questions, I'll be here to answer questions. I'm not going anywhere. Let's just attend to one person at a time. If you are looking for a crypto
Yes, we are
card,
still at the crypto. Yeah.
yeah, a crypto
Yeah, we are
card
still at the
is
crypto
you
card.
know when you withdraw your money with crypto. Let's say you deposit money with your card and then you want to withdraw profit. Most brokers, they will not allow you to withdraw to your bank account. The best way you can do is you withdraw with crypto. Now, when you withdraw with crypto, we struggle to find where to sell the crypto, to change the crypto to cash. Now with the crypto card, where's my crypto card? I don't know where it is. Okay, now with the crypto card have wallets just like Trust Wallet, where you can copy the address, then you send crypto to that address, okay, of the card. Now, with that card, you can use it to swipe, to spend your crypto. It's crypto inside the card, but you can swipe in any shop that have a speed point. I have used it it never rejects, okay? It works everywhere, okay? I even told you that the card that I just posted, I bought it with a crypto card. It swiped the whole amount one time, okay? So long, provided you should have the crypto inside it as well. How do you get the crypto? That is the other, it's a separate lesson, okay? Or if you don't want to swipe, you want hard cash, you can insert that card in any ATM. You can withdraw money, hard money, Namibian dollar, in any Standard Bank, Net Bank, and so on. And if you want big money, it's NetBank. NetBank can give an 8,000 at a time, 5 times a day, meaning you can withdraw up to 36,000 per day with NetBank. And then if you want that card, if you want a physical card, a card you put in your pocket, it's 100 USD. These cards are developed by Chinese. They will ship it from Hong Kong to Namibia. Now with the shipment, when you are shipping, Namibia is not on the list, on the shipping address. Put South Africa on the country, get me well, put South Africa on the country, and then on the rest of the detail, put your local Namibian details. If you are in Swakop, put Swakopmund. Now you put your local locations now in Swakop. It can be maybe Vambo Lokasi or whichever locations. Put your streets, Namibian streets and town. It's only the country that you put South Africa. They will ship it the cart will come through Nampost up to Namibia in Swakop. Nampost will take you to go and collect your cart in Swakopmund. Hope that is correct. 100 USD. Alternatively, if you can't afford 100 USD, you can get a visual card. Visual card is an electronic card that you can link to your phone. So far, if there's someone that knows how it works with Androids, you can assist us. But for now, you can only link it to your iPhone. On iPhones, every iPhone, there's an app called Wallet that comes with your phone. You just search for Wallet on your phone, on your iPhone. There's an option on that app to link your card to it using Apple Pay. It uses Apple Pay, if you've ever heard of Apple Pay. Now with your phone, you can go and buy anything in the shops. You can scan at any speed point. Those new latest speed points, mostly the ones with touch screen, and there should be a Wi-Fi sign on it. But most of the retails, they now have the latest speed points, okay? You scan there, you buy anything that you want, okay? But you can't withdraw cash with a visual card. You need a physical card. Hope I answered the questions on the cards. Click on the link in the chat room. I'll reshare the link again in the group to get your card. Is it clear then? Any questions on cards?
How much is the visual?
The visual card, it's a 10 Namibian dollar. But when you open your card, you will find a $5 there. When you open your
$10
account,
$10.
no, $10, sorry. But the first visual card that you buy it for $5. If you add more cards, you'll be buying it for $10 moving forward. The first card, it's a $5.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Mr. Silta.
Yeah.
Would you mind to take us through?
What are the benefits of like when someone signs up for a card using your link? What are the benefits? Because I've been seeing people sharing their link for the cards.
You get commission. You get commission. Like me, I'll really be happy. I'll appreciate if you sign up using my link, because when you sign up, when you buy that card for $10, I'll get maybe a $1 or a $2 from the $10. I don't know how much. They say 40%, but it's a lie.
Question.
They don't really give. But you get, when people are buying their cards or spending using the card, you get some commissions, some small commissions. Sometimes I find a $20 on my account because I've been sharing the link. Sometimes I find a $10, not a lot of money, but yeah, those are the benefits.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah, what you do is create yours under my link. I'll appreciate. And then after you are done creating yours, they will also give you your own link that you can be sharing with others.
I have a question.
Sure, you can
What
ask.
is the purpose for the $5?
Pardon?
What's the purpose for the $5 to get on the visual? Like fine, I have a $5 when I open.
I think it's kind of a discount tactic when you are buying your first card. Because you only need to add a $5 to make it $10, then you can afford the visual card. Yeah.
That you are saying with the visual, you can withdraw it all to have a hard.
Yeah, with visual, you can only scan at speed points to make transactions. You cannot withdraw cash at the ATM because in the ATM, you need to insert something. You can't insert your phone because you only have it on your phone. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yes, you're making
Okay,
sense. There's one question. Like you're having a seminar now, 20th Feb in Rondo. When are you guys planning on coming to Window?
Windhoek will be the last because we had a seminar last year there in Windhoek. From here, we are planning for Shakati or Ngwediva, then we'll move to the coast. So we want to deal with the smaller towns, then Windhoek will be last. You can expect us maybe somewhere July, August in Windhoek.
Then I will catch up maybe the coast.
No problem. Ochuarongo as well. So we will look at where the people are and basically just the major town in terms of population.
Can I be like buying a visual card on if I use them? I can make a physical.
What's the question? I didn't get it.
Like if I bought the visual card first, then later on I get some cash, then I know I also a physical card. How much is it? Like, are they going to charge me extra or discounted or something?
Or you can buy up to 5 cards, and the price are always the same. There are some time that they run promotions, but at the moment the prices are always the same. That is you can buy a visual card at a later stage. You can buy a physical card for 100 USD, same price. You can have multiple cards.
Oh.
Yeah.
Comment section.
Okay, let me go through the comment section. I'm sure there are a lot of questions there now. While I'm reading through the comment section, please give me feedback. How was the lesson? Did you learn something? And what is it that we are doing well, and what is it that we are not doing well? What is it that we can improve? Suggest something that we can.
Let me ask Funny.
Yeah.
Is there any charges on the card? Like a
Yes.
monthly charge?
Yes. When you are swiping, the charges are very less, maybe a 1 USD or a 50 cents. But when you are withdrawing cash, it's crazy. It charges about 5.5% to 6% per withdrawal when you are withdrawing cash at the ATM.
Like now, I'm having a difficult of opening up the the links because now for now I was using the PC to check your. Can't I just text you or because I have your number, then so that you can send me the links.
Yeah, the thing is, I have a lot of numbers. Which number do you have there?
Let me see.
Joseph, apparently simply the order block and analysis are being taught well in the mentorship. Yeah, the mentorship is proper. If you can afford, that would be best. How long is the face-to-face lessons? Depending on your availability, but we can expect it to be 1 month. We can be meeting weekends only.
Sorry, Mr.
Analyze. Yeah.
Yeah, the number that I'm having is the one with 24/7/144.
Yeah, send me a message on WhatsApp requesting. I don't know what you want to request, but you can send there. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
How long does it take to get the card? It takes about 2 to 3 months to receive the card. You really have to be patient. Like the visual one, not the physical one. The visual one, you get it in few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, you get it. Can you share the recording in the group? Okay, let me write it down. You want me to share the recording? Share recording in the group. No problem. I'll share the recording. Can we ask you for a favor on Feb 20 to offer us a visual chance to watch your presentation on that day online? Say just to go live, then we follow you. Request for live streaming. This is live streaming on 20 Feb. Let me just take note. Can you also make time for a Nana say? We are always left out when it comes to finance seminar, since they only done either Ondango or Shakati. How far is Nana from Ondango or Shakati?
It's very fast. Don't go there. Say don't.
I want to know. And how is the population?
Enemy of progress.
Enemy of progress. Why?
I love it.
Tuilika.
But yeah, it's not that.
I think I'll check it out on the main.
I think it's maybe the
Aha.
But the population is very small.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Population is small.
Okay, because there is time and cost involved in running seminars. Okay, so we need to look into like it's worth it. Are you giving enough information to as many people as you can? What is the best account for trading? Low makes 100. I think 50 USD or more. It's fine. From Ongwediva, reach up to Omthia, Mister. This was really good. Okay, Omthia, I'll check it out as well. I've been in Omthia before. We had a wedding here. One of my cousins got married in Omthia in 2023. Your strategy say on 20 Feb, how long does your student take to really master FX trading? I think we need students to say this themselves. How long did it take them to master Ochuarongo as well? Yes, Ochuarongo will be there. Okay, let's wrap it up. I need the comments. How was the lesson? What did you learn? And what is it that we can improve?
Now, there is a part where I have missed regarding the red card.
Pardon?
You said in township we put South Africa.
Yeah, on country put South Africa. The rest of the details put your Namibian details, like town, street, and region.
Thank you.
Welcome. Answered my question now. How was the lesson? Did you learn something?
Yes, it's continuous speaking. Yes, sir.
Like for me,
Yeah,
it's on the part of the diversification.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and also was mainly the videos on YouTube that I was following or listening to, they were just based on trading one pair or two pair. And today we made it clear like we need to multiply or use it in multiple areas.
Yeah, there is a good advantage for trading one pair, so long you don't risk everything at once. That is the main message. You can trade gold only. For me, I'm a big fan of gold. You just don't risk everything on gold like one time, just like that.
Oh, okay.
Ladies, how was the lesson? We need more ladies in this industry. That's the whole point. It's like male dominated.
Yes, just like Forex Queen and for
Yeah.
What?
So good. You are a good giver. You are a teacher.
Yeah, I was a teacher before, then I resigned because the Forex money started coming in and it was nice.
Look.
Yeah.
You make it seem like it's a simple thing to do.
Yeah, but it's very
teacher
simple.
from
The Forex it's very simple.
teacher from sir?
Pardon? Teacher from?
Where were you? Yes, I like.
It's a lot of things now. I am a professional. I'm a mathematician by profession. I did a bachelor degree in mathematics and computer science at main campus. That is in science. Then later on, I had to go and do education again to become a professional teacher. That was due to the high unemployment things. Then I got a teaching post. I got another post. I ended up resigning and so on. But it's a long story about my life. It happened within few years, but I think at the seminar I'll answer a teacher from where. Yeah.
Yes, hello, sir. I want to answer that. I want to answer that question in the chat.
Pardon?
I wanted to answer that question in the chat. There was a guy who asked, "How long does your student take to really master FX trading and becoming profitable?"
Approximately 6 months. You need 6 months or a year of consistently practicing. Because what we are doing now, like what I told you, what we are going to do after the lesson, we had 1 month where we taught Forex, and then we are moving into Feb. Let me just, Feb, we are going to learn about cryptocurrencies only. And then March, we'll move to practical. I'll request all the students to deposit 100 USD. We trade together. So that one, some people will miss lessons, some people will do what. Those that are really committed within 6 months after the practical, the most important part is the practical where we trade together. Within 6 months, at least you should be profitable.
Sir, I wanted to clear up when you say you wanted to know the distance from Ondangwa to Enana.
Yeah.
It's just 30 minutes, and a lot of young people here in Enana, they are very much invested in Forex. So maybe it would be great for us if you just reach out to us for a seminar, because it's always difficult to go to Oshakati or Ndangwa.
Okay.
for us.
All right. I think
Yes.
we'll look into Enana and Omthia. Someone also requested Otapi. So I'll have to check it out on the map and then we'll see how we can go about it. But yeah, we'll consider your request. We'll look into that. We'll just have to double check.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
There, I have a question.
Yeah,
comes to
Gobabes,
wealth, just
definitely.
come to
I've been
win.
receiving a lot of requests from Obabes.
If things are come to window,
Pardon?
But there's
Windhoek,
student in
we'll come to Windhoek, but it will be the last town that we'll visit. We want to finish the small towns first.
but we understand there's a bull, and by that time the bull will not run.
You want the bull run? Are you into crypto? Crypto is where you get the language of bull run.
I'm hearing. I don't know how
Okay.
it will run, but I understand there's something like that.
Yeah, definitely. We have a bull run in crypto.
Say, I have a question.
Mm-hmm. So you can ask.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you very much for the information about how to stop the loss, which I've been blowing my account several. Now I know.
It's very simple,
I appreciate.
Most
I
welcome.
appreciate.
Most welcome. Forex is very simple. You just need mostly the right information and probably the right person to show you. Because now it's like we have a whole thing of blind leading a blind. I'm not a profitable trader, but I want to teach you how to trade. There are a lot of people teaching Forex out there, but they are not making money themselves. It's kind of a side hustle. They just teach by themselves. They are not trading. And you can tell, definitely, just that you guys are too blind to tell, but these are basic things that you can tell. And I don't like to talk about it to point like these, and you see, but it's very simple to learn Forex, actually, provided you find the right person, okay? Or you can also learn on your own. You can also learn on your own, okay? Even on YouTube, on just that it will be hard to put things together. On Baby Peeps, you can learn. There are a lot of free things out there.
Okay, now the question is, let's say I'm having crypto coins. I'm in a exchanger, let's say Binance or another exchange. Can I go to it?
Can you be able to? What is the question?
Let's say I'm having crypto coins in my exchanger and want to deposit it to my Deriv account.
Yes, you can. It's possible. You just basically you are withdrawing from the exchange and deposit into the Deriv account. What you do is very simple. Go on Deriv, deposit. You choose the crypto that you have on the exchanger. Deriv will automatically give you a unique wallet address for you only. You copy that address, you go on your exchanger, you paste it, you send. Few minutes, the funds will reflect on Deriv, just like sending crypto from one wallet to another wallet. Deriv will generate a wallet for you that you can go and paste in your exchanger you send. You just have to choose your preferred crypto. You can either use 10 coins. There's on crypto, on the list, there's 10 coins that can give you a list of cryptos that you want, that you can use: USDT, TRC20, Tron, BNB, or Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. So if you happen to be stuck, just give us a call. We'll be able to assist you. If you want to deposit on Deriv and you get stuck, give us a call. Usually when you call, you speak to the admin. Her name is Martha. She can assist you. If she's not able to assist, she usually refer to me. Then I'll step in and assist. But she should be able to assist with these basic things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Transferring funds from one change it to another is not a problem. I just wanted to find out if I could do that today.
Yeah, you can do that.
So I can even get transfer from Alcoin to Riv.
Yes, you can do that.
And the other question is, which is the last one. In my trade account, MT5, I've got 2 accounts. But if I fund one account, let's say a standard one, then I'm trading and I buy, let's say I buy volatility 75 or 100 or 50. And if I log into another account, I won't be able to see the volatility 75, volatility 100 or 50. The ones I already engaged to another account, I don't see them.
Yeah, that is how it is. You only see your running trades in the account that you have opened them. If you log into another account, you can't see them. But you can be able to see those instruments, but not the running trades.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. That's all.
All right. Most welcome.
Okay, I'm also having a question here.
Sure. Is it Gang?
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah.
No, I wanted to ask on the courses that they were running. How long are some courses there?
We only have one course, which is a full course, 2 months.
Yeah.
2 months.
2 months.
The first month will teach you Forex, how to analyze a lot of things. The second month will teach you cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, it's something that we recently added because it's on demand. And we want you to know how to invest in crypto, how to get started, which crypto to invest in, how to do your research, all those things.
Oh, okay. Now, like that 2 months, you just do payment at once, and how much is that car payment?
The payment is just like a 3.5.
All right.
All right.
Just a 3.5 at once, or you can pay for the other months. Then when you start the other months, you pay.
You can pay it in installments, and then we start with lessons once you complete your payment. Let's say you can pay 1.5 now, maybe another 1K next month, then a 1.5 the other month.
Okay.
Yeah, and then once you
What
are
about-
done with it, what about?
What about this VIP? Does it have a duration period, or once you pay 2.5 for the rest of the life, you're getting signal?
VIP, it's a lifetime thing. For so long as me and you we are alive, you keep getting signals.
I would like that.
Okay, good.
But as for Gang, I think you would misunderstand this question because he was like, is he going to pay like for Forex and crypto, like because the course is 2 months? So it's like he's asking, is it going to pay for like the 2 separate?
No.
I'm not misunderstanding his question.
If you pay 3.5, you only pay one time, and we are going to teach you Forex as well as crypto. I hope I answered the question.
How much it is again?
It's a one-time payment for the 2 courses, Forex and crypto. Yeah. All right. If you don't have questions, then thank you so much for your time. We'll look forward to have more of these lessons so you can learn 1 or 2 things. Have a blessed night ahead. We'll be in touch. If you need any help, you can always call or write us a message on WhatsApp. We'll be happy to assist. Good night.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wonder.
Welcome.
Be blessed.
Thank you. Be blessed as well. Good night. Good night. Good night.